Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making crispy chicken, and for that we will need chicken. I use pre-boiled and pre-seasoned chicken. And please guys, make sure you cut the chicken into almost equal sizes if you can have it into equal sizes. That will just make it easier for it to be evenly brownish when you put it in the oven. And we need breadcrumbs. You can have breadcrumbs from any grocery store. And you need eggs, which is the dipping sauce you will use before you add the breadcrumbs onto the chicken. And I use onion and garlic powder for seasoning, a little bit of taste. This is paprika. I use paprika because I wanted it to have a little bit of coloring, so it doesn't just look white when you break in. This is black pepper, and I really would say black pepper. I love the fragrance of black pepper. It's really sweet. This is a little bit of Maggi and salt. Alright guys, you just break the eggs, beat it, and put all the seasoning together inside and make it even. And that's what we need for this yummy crispy chicken. Let's get started. This is my already beat and mixed up eggs. So I just take the chicken and turn it in, and just put it into the breadcrumbs and turn and turn and turn until I have the breadcrumbs all over the chicken. And just basically repeat the process for every piece of chicken you have until you're done. And guys, just whatever is more hygienic for you at the moment, you can use it. You could use a grabber if it's easier for you. My hands are washed and clean. That's why I'm using my hands, because it's easier for me and faster to use my hands to do the dipping. Alright guys, here we go. We're done with the dipping of the chicken. This is what it looks like with the breadcrumbs coated on. And it's an oven ready pan. Alright, so after that I just use vegetable oil to kind of wash off the skin of the chicken all sided. This is to help give it that even brownness when you put it in the oven, because since the breadcrumbs is dry, if you leave it like that, it won't give that oven that really brown, golden brown color. Alright, and it's ready to be put into the oven. Let's go ahead and toss this into the oven. And this will stay in the oven for 30 to 45 minutes, and you will be checking it periodically to make sure it's evenly baked. And the oven, I already preheated it to 350 degrees. Alright guys, this is after 45 minutes. Let's see how it looks. Oh wow, that looks yummy. And you see guys, look at that golden brownish color. Please don't forget to wash it off with vegetable oil, else you won't have this golden brownish color. It looks really appetizing guys. Alright guys, here we go. This is our crispy chicken. This can really save you that trip to go into Popeyes to get crispy chicken, or into KFC when you're craving for it. Just take a little bit of time, do it at home, and you would enjoy. You can serve this with fries and some ranch or some ketchup. Try this at home guys, and give me a thumbs up if you like it. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. I love you all.